If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
ChatGPT is powerful, but there's one big problem nobody talks about. It doesn't actually have real SEO data. So what if you could fix that and turn it into a real research tool? In this video, I'm going to show you how I connected ChatGPT to Semrush and how it completely changed how I do keyword research, competitor analysis, and content ideas. If you're into SEO, content creation, or making money online, this is something you need to see. Normally, your workflow looks like this. You open Semrush, search for keywords, export data, then jump back into ChatGPT, paste everything, and try to make sense of it. It's slow, messy, and honestly, it breaks your focus. And the worst part? If you don't do that, ChatGPT just guesses. This video is sponsored by Semrush. They just released something called the MCP server, and it basically lets AI tools like ChatGPT access real Semrush data instantly. So instead of switching tabs, everything happens in one place. Think of it like giving ChatGPT a brain upgrade. Now, when you ask it something like, find low competition keywords in my niche, it doesn't guess anymore. It pulls real data, search volume, competition trends, directly from Semrush. For example, I tested this in a niche. I asked ChatGPT to find content ideas with ranking potential, and instead of generic answers, it gave me actual keywords people are searching for. Then I asked it to analyze a competitor, and it broke down their traffic, their top pages, and even content gaps I could target, all without leaving the chat. This is the part that actually feels crazy because it turns AI into something practical, not just theoretical. And this is where it gets even better. This isn't just a standalone feature, like it's part of something called Semrush One, which basically combines SEO tools and AI visibility into one platform. Because SEO is changing fast. It's not just about ranking on Google anymore. You also need to show up inside AI tools like ChatGPT, and Semrush actually tracks that. It shows where your brand appears, where competitors are beating you, and what you should create next to stay ahead. Honestly, this feels like one of those tools that gives you an unfair advantage if you start early. Instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on real data inside AI. If you want to try it out, I've put the link in the description. You can test it yourself and see how powerful it is. And if you're serious about SEO or content, this is definitely worth checking out. This video is sponsored by Semrush.